Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use slot command. Today learning slot command. So let's see what are the slot command and how to easily use in Solidworks. At first open Solidworks software. At first open SolidWorks software. You want to create new sketch interface. At first select a SolidWorks open software. Okay. At first select new and go to parts. Okay, this is a SolidWorks software open, and this is a now this is our interface. Okay, now we will see a new create sketch. At first select a plane before drawing. At first select a plane before drawing. Any 2D drawing, at first select a plane. Okay, I select a front plane. Okay, and this today lecture 8 learn a slot. Then click here. This point is a slot. Slot means slot is 4 type is slot: straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot, center point arc slot. The one by one discuss here. First is straight slot. Straight slot, at first select a line and click here a slot. This is a okay, and mention any dimension. Dimension is 100 and this point is a 20. Okay, again this point is a center point a straight slot. Okay, this point is a click here, and okay, and this point is a okay, this point is a 3-point, and okay, this point is a okay, and center point arc slot. Center point, this point is a center point. Okay, this point is a okay, this 4 separate slot created here. First is center point straight slot, next center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot or center point arc slot. Okay, again straight slot, straight slots anywhere created here, straight, and this is a straight slot, and next point center point straight slot anywhere draw, anywhere drawing straight, and this is a straight slot. Okay, next point is a 3-point arc slot. 3-point, first point, second point, and third point is the arc slot. Okay, drawing here, and center point arc slot, any center point first, second a line is drawing this line, and this is a arc slot. Okay, all 4 point is discussed here. Slot 4 point is discussed here. Next lecture coming soon, lecture 9. Guys, don't forget subscribe, like, share this channel. Okay guys, thank you.